Hey guys, welcome to my channel Tokyo Foodie Sarah. I am at Costco today with my friend Rachel. Hi! She has a very nice Instagram where she introduces a lot of things about Japan, so make sure you follow her Instagram. Yay!
Thank you so much! Japan with Rachel.
My friend Rachel and we were like, yeah, let's go to Costco. But then Rachel doesn't have an international driving license to drive in Japan, and although I do have a driving license in Japan, I just don't drive. So it wasn't an option for us to get there by car. The solution we, or Rachel, came up with is to take our suitcases to Costco. What a great idea! This way we can take public transport and still buy tons of food without having to drive. Rachel made this whole experience very American. I don't know, I'm just saying this because she's from the US. Anyway, we met up at around lunchtime, so we decided to get some food. Rachel said that some of the menus are not available in the US, like the bulgogi bake and the La France smoothie. The question is, what should we get? Rachel, what do you fancy?
Honestly, it all looks so good.
Yeah, the bulgogi bake looks really nice.
Yeah.
So I'm really tempted to get the La France smoothie.
Yes.
Yes.
And the pizza looks very American.
Oh my
so
god.
I'm kind of excited about that.
Yeah, for all the American experience.
Yeah.
With an American girl. Yes.
Cravings will be satisfied today.
Oh yes. We got our food. Rachel got a big slice of pizza. I got...
Big as my face.
Oh yeah, probably bigger. And I got a hot dog. Ooh. Oh, it looks good. Yes.
Exciting.
Exciting. And the pear smoothie. Cheers. Mmm. Oh, that's so good.
Oh, it's really refreshing.
Mmm. Very sweet. Wow. And it's massive. Like,
Tastes like real pear.
it does, yeah. Yay. Mm. I'm gonna try out my hot dog. Itadakimasu.
Itadakimasu.
So good. Juicy.
Oh, the mushrooms are like Japanese mushrooms.
Oh yeah,
They're like
shimeji.
Asian.
Not
Yeah.
shimeji, enoki mushrooms.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, our cravings have been satisfied. Time to look at more food. A general membership in Japan costs 4,840 yen per year. We couldn't take our suitcases inside the store, so we had to put them in the lockers. Anyway, time for shopping.
Oh, what?
Take these in.
Oh, we can't?
I've only been to Costco in Japan and the UK, but I'm pretty sure it's roughly around the same in the US. They sell electronics, piles of clothes, and of course a lot of giant packaged food. Along with things to put food inside. I mean, bowls. Oh, this one's also
Good deal.
yeah! I'd buy it if I wanted bowls. My main aim, or should I say the only aim, was food. So we won't focus on the other things, okay? So big! Super big! Yeah. These are just like chocolate bars. Oh my god, it's massive. Oh, I can't get it out. Look, a big bag of Black Thunder. Yes! And it's only 900 yen. Big bag of Alfort. Yes! It's like cookie covered in chocolate. Very nice. I love it. Ooh, so big. Oh my god. They have a big tub of Haribo. Whoa. Should I get it? I love these dark chocolate. Oh, it's so heavy. Oh my god. Oh my god, it's so heavy. It's so heavy. Oh, there we go. Oh look, cute chocolates. Oh, this is so cheap. 1,400 yen?
Oh, but they're minis.
Oh, they're minis! Oh, scam! Still getting them. Good for my breakfast. Yes.
Yeah, no, you're right. It's really hard to find like
Rachel told me these are good, so it's going in my basket. Yes, something non-chocolatey for the first time. Chopped onion for $7.48. Deal. You're coming to my house. Oh yeah, there's even like Japanese mustard, Japanese wasabi, and ginger.
very nice.
Yes. Oh my god. Oh no, it's fine. Oh, cinnamon!
Cinnamon.
Whole cinnamon. Oh, cinnamon sugar?
Cinnamon.
Do they have? Oh, massive cinnamon that I'm gonna consume within my lifetime. Why not? Whole dried blueberries, 1,800 yen. Yes. I found soup curry. Got influenced from the trip in Hokkaido. How do I carry this? Oh no. Oh, it's heavy. Okay. Okay. Oh. Wakarimasen. Okay. I'm gonna get it. Or do you want to share?
Huh?
Should we share this?
Oh yeah, let's
Yeah?
share one. Yeah. Okay.
Okay.
Do it.
Cool. Yay. For the nabe, pot, canned yakitori. Oh my god, I don't want to drink all of it, but I just want it for my room. Isn't that pretty? And it's so cheap. Yes. Dude, these are like hot chocolate bombs, so they have like chocolate. Oh. Chocolates with some marshmallows inside. Isn't that cute? Oh my god. So they have tofu, kimchi, and some tofu pudding. Wow. I'll get the box and I'll share one to Rachel. Yay! Icelandic yogurt! My fave! My favorite thing in the world. Yes. Oat milk! Oat milk! Yay! Woohoo! Radish. Ginger. That's a lot of ginger. What the heck? Lotus root. Shiitake mushroom. Baby spinach. Tomatoes. American.
Seafood pizza.
Oh, okay. Oh my god, this is like the biggest mentaiko I've ever seen in my whole entire life, right? And Rachel was saying, this is like one fish. Yes. Gonna get the bagels. Should I get the plain one? Oh, wait. Is it 2 for 880 yen?
2? Oh.
It says times 2.
Whoa.
These muffins are massive. Oh look, pumpkin muffin. Cute. Oh, blueberry muffins. Somebody is tempted. Oh my god, so big.
Looks amazing.
Yeah.
I shouldn't though.
No. Because if you get it, you're gonna eat the whole thing.
Yep.
That is caramel apple pie.
Oh wow.
Oh my god, what the heck?
Looks decadent.
How many calories is this?
Does it say?
For 100 grams, it's 258. But how many grams is it? I don't know. 1 kilo?
Yeah.
God, look at the berry tart and the tiramisu. That just looks like look, diabetes and high blood pressure and high blood cholesterol levels and just everything. These mini pan au chocolat look so cute as well. Oh, alcohol. Okay, so that's what our basket looks like. This half is my side, that half is Rachel's side. Oh yeah, by the way, I had to give up the massive box of dark chocolate because I wanted to get other things that were less bulky. You know, I only took one small suitcase with me. I had to fit everything in there. I think we should stop shopping now.
It's a productive
Right.
haul.
Oh yeah. Behind the scenes of filming.
It's so cute. It's like a big box version of the mini.
Oh yeah. And then it has like what, 45 small bags of it.
Ooh, should I give up anything? I think I might give up the Kit Kat for this.
Oh.
Kit Kat's like very average, right?
Yeah.
Like,
Although I've never seen this Kit Kat before.
for cafe.
For cafe, what is that?
Yeah, what does that mean?
I don't know. Yeah, no, I'd go for this. It's nicer. Oh, they have nature thingy made. Yeah. Oh, but it's too big. Behind the scenes of filming, number 2. So we checked out just now and Rachel and I both spent about 15,000 yen each. We bought quite a bit of stuff, so we're very happy about it.
Yeah.
Yes!
It'll last us for a while.
Yeah. The last time I came to Costco was like 2.5 years ago, so it was a very good experience. We had so much fun. This is the difficult part. We're gonna have to pack it all into our suitcases. Are you ready for this? Ganbatte! So I think it's fitting quite nicely, but this is the problem. It's bigger than my suitcase. We'll see how that's gonna go. Hey look, we're doing well. We're doing well. Or are we? Look, mine's like that.
Is this like dead?
I don't think so.
I should have brought my bigger one.
Yeah. Girl. We were able to fit in everything. My bag is breaking, but whatever. That's the coconut water Rachel couldn't fit in. And that's another one that she couldn't fit in, so she's just gonna carry it.
I was way too ambitious.
Yeah. And her bag is so heavy. Oh my god. Well, we did it.
We did it.
Yay! Thank you very much for watching. If you liked the video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to see more future videos about Japanese food. And don't forget to follow Rachel on Instagram. Bye! Hey guys, welcome to my channel, Tokyo Foodie Sarah. I am in Costco today to go to shop for food. This is a horrible intro. Okay,
No, I know what you mean. I have to like do it like
I do it like 5 times every single day. Okay.
It's okay.
Okay. She has a very nice Instagram account where she introduces things about Japan. All the temptation. I've only been to Costco in Japan and the US. No, UK.